Hey, this is Talent Solution. Today we're Ansible another playbook running. Today we're see how to conjure all machine and one in single command. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution. Here is a we can see playbook uh, mm, how to write playbook. Here is many video and one by one you can see how to installation Ansible and configuration. Here is playlist. I think you have many idea here. Let's go. First of all, we are go to our console and our redhat Linux. Let's see it is ping or pong. Yeah, this is all ping pong is correct. Now we are get our cron job. Game job.yml or yml. It's your matters. Let's go. This is first of all insert I. We have already write the playbook here. Just copy paste here is just copy save and exit and Ansible playbook run job. We're checking our syntax SOINTAXCAC. Okay, check. Yeah, our syntax is okay. Just we are a good dry run because we are have any problem then dry run catch this problem. Just where see no here any problem here. Just where get and let's go now. Just playbook is right and common. We are playbook right now is done. Yeah, all user had is uh, all PC has phone job is ready. Now we're set and SIB Ansible all M for sorry A for argument module crontab crontab lu log for user Natasha. Unknown because we are again see our beam YML just we're checking. Yeah, now all server is running every 2 minute process. This is our syntax. Yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching.